Very good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to explain you one more problem related to the friction and which is rough horizontal surfaces. Now coming to the point, we know related to the rough horizontal surfaces some formulas. See, already I told you in the previous classes. Watch my videos regularly. Now there is a question, there is a one problem which related to the rough horizontal surface. When a block of mass m, which is given a 20 kg mass, is placed on the rough horizontal surface. So that there is a block of mass is given 20 kg, and the question it is, there is a force is applied 20 Newton, 90 Newton force is applied. Then there is a two coefficient of frictions are given, one is mu s, one more is mu k. Then find a frictional force is asking. By given question, we need to identify whether the block of mass 20 kg which is at rest or it is said to be in motion by the applied force is 90 Newton. That we have to confirm it. After knowing that, now we have to say the frictional force, because there is a diagram is given. Look at 20 kg mass and there is a force is F is applied, 20, 80, 90 Newton is applied. Because of this, the block is it at rest or in motion, that we have to say. So for that purpose, first of all we should get frictional force, that is static, because after knowing the static only we can say whether the block is at rest or in motion, right? That is Fs is equal to, what is mu s here? Given as 0.4, you write, and mass is 20 is given, and G is 10. Of course, in this question 10 is given. Let us you cancel 0, 0 cancel. Fs is equal to 4 2s are 8, right, into 10. So that Fs is equal to 80 Newton. That is the static is acting. Static is how much now? 80 Newton. But applied is how much now? 90 Newton. Now we have to say applied is greater than static friction. Is it right? When it is applied is greater than static, therefore the block is said to be in motion. That means the block is moves in the direction of applied force. Is it right? Yes. So that now we should go the, because when it is said to be in motion, then there it is to be kinematical frictional force is introduced. Not this answer. Is it the answer? No. We cannot say, because now the block is said to be in motion because of applied 90 Newton. That means here there is a kinematical frictional force is introduced because of the body said to be in motion. Now we need to get a kinematical frictional force, that is Fk we need to get. Then Fk is equal to mu k into mg, of course. There is a mu k is given 0.3, m is given 20, g is given 10. So it is 16 Newton is our answer. This is the correct answer, not this answer. In the options, they will give you four options. These two options will be there. But here we should say only this option, because block is said to be in a motion. No, when block is said to be in a motion, then we can say the answer is kinematical friction, not the static. This is very, very important. Clear? So this regarding this question, answer is 60 Newton is the right answer, because the block is said to be in a motion. Okay? Let us come to the point. Another question, so which is given on the board. There is a block of mass 10 kg which is placed on the rough horizontal surface, and there is a rough horizontal surface. The block of mass m is placed, and here there is a horizontal force is F is applied is 90 Newton. Question, you see the question, 80 Newton is applied. Then find, is asking. Of course, there is a friction is coefficient of friction is given between the block and the surfaces. There is a 0.2, and then find the acceleration without friction and with friction is asking. Without and with friction is asking. This is the given question, which is also related to JEE and NEET. Now let us you write here. The given is coefficient of friction is there, G value is there, is asking without and with. That is without you say A1, with you say A2. And there is a block of mass is 10 kg. and there is a force is how much is applied, 80 Newton is applied. See, use this information, get the ratio, that is the solution. We can say like this. First you write as A1 by A2 is question mark, right? Coming to the point. So given you write as mass is equal to 10 kg is given, and your applied force is how much, 80 Newton is given, and your coefficient of friction is given as 0.2. Of course, G is 10 meter per second square. Now go for without friction. That is you write as without friction. That means you use the second law, that is the Newton's second law. F is equal to, you write as ma1. A1 is equal to F by m, right? What is F is there? 80 Newton is applied. M is how much? 10 kg. So that A1 is equal to 80 meter per second square. This is the A1 without friction. As well as one, now we need to get with friction, that is the with friction here. You write as with friction. Sir, what will be the with friction? Of course, we know that is A2 is equal to F by M minus mu K into Gs. So F is there here 80 Newton, that is 80 by 10 because mass is 10 and friction is given 0.2 into G is 10. So this 10 is cancelled, this 0 also cancelled. A2 is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now he is asking the ratio A1 by A2, you get A1 by A2 is 8 by 6. So in two tables we can cancel it, that is 4 by 3 is the answer. That is the ratio is A1 by A2 is equal to 4 by 3 is our answer. So this all related to, related to the rough horizontal surfaces problems. With these questions are related to JEE and NEET. Clear? Watch my videos regularly and subscribe my channel without fail. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.